Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress site load faster. First, let's talk about caching. Implementing a strong caching strategy can improve your site's performance by hundreds of times for static pages. This helps your site achieve the recommended load time of under 3 seconds, significantly faster than the average 2.5 seconds on desktop. Caching reduces server load and delivers content to your visitors much more quickly. Next, focus on your media. Images often account for over 60% of a web page's total weight. Compressing them can reduce file sizes by 25 to 80% without visible quality loss. Also, consider a content delivery network, or CDN. Over 40 million websites use CDNs to deliver content from servers geographically closer to users, drastically speeding up load times for a global audience. Optimizing your database and code is crucial. Regularly cleaning your WordPress database can dramatically affect performance by removing old revisions and transient data. Minifying CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files reduces their size, making them load faster. Furthermore, selecting a lightweight theme and limiting the number of active plugins are essential steps, as bloated plugins can significantly slow down your entire website. Finally, your hosting and server environment play a huge role. Choose a hosting provider specifically optimized for WordPress. Some can achieve load times under 1 second. Updating your server to the latest PHP version, such as PHP 8.3 or higher, delivers substantial performance increases and enhanced security. Additionally, enabling gzip compression can reduce web page sizes by up to 70%, further boosting your site's speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.